Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you that these two expressions are equal. First, there is law of indices that states that whenever you have nth root of a raised to the power of m, which express this first one, is equal to the nth root of a raised to the power of m, which express the second one. Then we move further. We can express this as a raised to the power of 1 over n, or raised to the power of m, which is equal to a raised to the power of m, or raised to the power of 1 over n. In mathematics, or law of indices, when we are expressing powers, power can times powers. So what we do here, we multiply 1 over n times m. When you do that, you are going to have a raised to the power of m all over n is equals to, when we multiply the power of the right hand side, we are still going to have a raised to the power of m over n. So both are equal. Now we want to apply it using numbers. So I will write down this expression and we apply it the way we apply it in this side. So let's go. We have cube root of 8 all raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as cube root of 8 squared. When we do that, we can express the left hand side to be 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3 all raised to the power of 2, which is the same thing as when we express the right hand side, we are going to have 8 squared all raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now we can multiply the powers. 1 over 3 times 2 will give us 8 raised to the power of 2 over 3, which is the same thing as when we multiply 2 times 1 over 3, we are going to have 8 raised to the power of 2 over 3. Now both are equal. So we can say, to express this to get a number, this can be expressed as cube root of 8 all squared. And cube root of 8 all squared is the same thing as, what is that smallest number you can times 3 times to give you 8, which is 2. 2 raised to the power of 2. And our final answer is 4. This is our answer, but some people, it's good to solve it this way, especially when you have big values to prove. But if you don't have big values to prove, what you have here is cube root of 8, which will give you 2, raised to the power of 2 gives you 4. Then here, with this 8 squared, we change to 64, which is the same thing as cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 is that smallest number you can times 3 times to give you 64, which is the same thing as 4. So both are equal. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks.